Hi everybody, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, with another video now at Ace. What we have now from our friends at the Grommet is the E-tape. Now a tape measure is something that personally I have used my entire life, and so I'm very comfortable around tape measures and reading them and doing all the calculations that may come with a tape measure. But I know for many, all these little marks are confusing and they just want to be able to measure something so they can center on a wall or figure out the dimensions of a room if you're ordering paint. With E-tape, you've got a digital readout right on the top. So let me show you here. If I wanted to measure from this line and I extend out, I can come across, and as I go and I come to a level, there's 9.5 inches, okay? Now I can lock this tape just like a regular tape measure right there. And then if I want, right here, there's a hold button. So I can go, okay, 9 5/8 is my measurement. See how it's blinking? I could go ahead and write that down and use that for a multiple measurement if I was going to do it in a room somewhere. You can unlock this again, right? The other ability you have is now it's going to, you release the hold and you can remeasure, and you can set up with these buttons here to either give you the dimension on the front of the tape or on the back. Now that would be helpful. For instance, I've got an area here that I want to measure, and I'm going to switch it to the outside. So if I'm going to take this all the way, if you come over my shoulder with your camera, and I come all the way over here, that's measuring to the back of the tape measure, and so that's the dimension right there. And if I want, I push that hold button that's on the back side right here, right there. I hold that dimension, and now I know that it's 5'7" and 13/16. E-tape, now available at participating Ace stores and at acehardware.com.